Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to your another reading. Let's see what all you need to know today, and let's just get into it. I would just like to mention this in the beginning of the video. For personal readings, guys, you can DM me on Instagram. The link for that is in the description box below. You can follow me on Instagram, and yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, there is an energy of misunderstanding between two people. Either like you had a lot of good times with this person and now things are just not good between the two of you. Maybe something happened and there is sadness, maybe there is rudeness, yeah, there is lack of passion. A situation or a person or a relationship where things were very good, where things were very passionate between the two of you, where things were very very nice, but now the passion has been lost. This can be friendship, this can be romantic, take it how that resonates. But something was going very good, or a relationship or a connection was very passionate, but now the passion has been lost because of some harsh communication. So maybe some harsh words were discussed, or somebody maybe backstabbed you, or somebody just spoke something bad behind your back. So this really hurt you, or this is the reason why things are just not moving forward, and you're just feeling really lack of passion, and you just don't feel as much as you used to feel for this person, or the spark has been lost. Okay, the honeymoon phase has been lost is what I feel. Let's see what is this about. Okay, literally 8 of cups. There is a need for you to walk away from this person and situation. Walk away from this person, whoever you're dealing with. Either you walked away already, or this person walked away already, or you're supposed to be walking away. Move on, let go, because there will be, like, once you move on from this person, there will be a renewal and a peaceful resolution and a maturity coming in for the both of you. But right now there is a need for you to detach and distance yourself from this person. Some of you might think that this is a very immature decision to make, but no, this is actually going to benefit your connection in the upcoming time. Let's get some more information with this one. Let's see, what does the person watching this need to know, Spirit? Family situation. We have fire sign as being significant, which is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Yeah, with the passion and all that. We have family situations and a heart-to-heart conversation. So maybe maybe feels like a family to you, and you will have a conversation with them, but now is not the time. But you will have to give them the space and time. I feel like pulling out cards from multiple decks today. Let's just do it. Very different reading than what I do usually. Literally have deception coming out, guys. Literally, what did I tell you? What did I say? There is a need for you to move on. Healing family issues, and then family situations coming out. This is either a family situation, like you had a fallout with your family, but I feel like no, this is not the case. I feel like what actually happened was that you are detaching from this person and whoever you had a fallout with, and you're healing your family situations in the meantime. So maybe now is the time when you focus more on your family relationships. This might trigger you, this might make you feel uncomfortable, but now is the time when you actually have to just focus on your family. Some of you literally put up a fake persona, fake image out in the public, that you don't care about the family, but deep down you guys are very hurt and you feel very bad about not having a family and not having good relationships. Somebody is wearing a mask in this relationship. Clearly decide, guys, what you want. Do you want to entertain people who are literally lying to you, who are literally not honest with you, or do you actually want good people in your life, good relationships in your life? Do not become codependent on this person, or this person is very dependent on your energy, or your family member is very dependent on your energy. I don't get a very good. Okay, there are multiple messages coming out. Listen, there is a family member in your energy who just doesn't have your best interest. They don't think about you very nicely. Maybe there is jealousy, maybe there is competition, maybe these people just don't want to see good happening in your life, and these are the people that you need to let go of, move on from, because they wear a fake mask like I am the good person and this and that. And for some of you, your mother warned about this person to you, and now is the time when you actually have a heart to heart conversation and heal the relationship with your parents or your mother specifically, or just maybe have a heart to heart conversation and let go of this person completely. For the rest of you, you recently had a fallout with a romantic interest, and now is the time when you spend more time with your family members and make them happy, or just heal your relationship with them. And another thing is that there is a lover in your energy, or there is just one specific person who just doesn't have a best interest for you, and this person is so much codependent on your energy, like an energy vampire. So you really have to let go of this person so that you can move forward towards having good relationships. So there is an energy vampire who literally sucks out on your energy, who is not good for you, who is very codependent on your energy, very sticky, very stingy energy, who doesn't even want you to move on, because they know that if you move on, they will be left out with nothing but to be lonely and helpless and weak. But you're advised here to move on from this person, because the universe will be taking care of the rest. The universe will be taking care of how they want to handle the situation, but you will be protected. You will be moving towards a peaceful resolution. And then is the time, like after you release this deceptive person from your energy, even if it's a family member or a friend or a lover, you will actually find good relationships after leaving this person. So there is a need for you to let go of a person from your energy, because they are literally feeding onto your energy. This is very toxic. And once you let go of this energy, you will find good relationships. So if you question all the time, I don't know why I don't meet new people, I don't know why nobody enters my life, I don't know why I just never find good relationship, this person is the reason, because they are somehow just clinging onto your energy, and this is the time when you let go of it. Maybe you needed to learn some lessons and there was karmic balance and all that stuff, but now it is over, and now is the time when you actually move on. Now is the time when you let go of this person and just move on from them. No, please. And by any means, if you feel weak while making the decision, if you feel very empathetic towards this person, like okay, like they are my this and that and I shouldn't be going, this is their energy, they will victimize themselves. Just know that this is devil speaking through this person. Now is the time for your growth, because I'll tell you something, what I'm energetically picking on from you guys and your energy is that you guys are moving towards a lot of success, you guys are moving towards a lot of abundance. This can also come in the form of money for some of you. So a lot of financial success and abundance and victory is coming towards you, and this person is not supposed to be in that energy, because they will just suck all of your energy, which is literally unfair to your energy, which is unfair for you. I cannot be kidding. The universe, oh my god, my angels just give me the confirmation all the while. 808, as I spoke about the money. Oh my god. Guys, literally the 10 of cups and the knight of cups. The moment you let go of this person, the moment you let go of this energy, you are meeting your people. For some of you are getting married. So if there is an ex that you're trying to release, and if you are in the age of getting married, once you let go of this person, you're literally getting married. You're literally getting married. Oh my god. And for the people who are not in the age of getting married, there is new time approaching. Your soul tribe, you're attracting your soul tribe, you're attracting your people, you're attracting good relationships in general, who you will have a good communication with, who you will have a good uh, intellectual compatibility with. So these people won't misunderstand you, these people won't misjudge you or judge you in general. So these people will know your core, these people will know who you are as a person deep down, so they won't judge you. So but yeah, I think release these people, because a lot of good energy is coming towards you. For some of you, you're having a child, if you are in that energy, and if you are expecting a child, but you'll have to let go of this deceptive energy, right? And family, creating a family, healing your family relationships, or maybe finding a home, finding your soul tribe, finding your soul family. Family, you're having the luck in family. Your luck in your family dynamic is increasing. Either you're creating a family, or you're meeting your family, or you're just reuniting with your family, healing your family wounds, or you're just finding home in some people who are about to enter your life. 10 10 as I said that. Right? So, yeah, I think this was your reading for today, guys. And sending you so much love and light. We'll see you guys in the next one. Also, if you have any suggestions for the, pick a pile kind of topics, please let me know. And also, the reading for the crush is coming in. So, yeah. And for the people who were asking my name is Ish. It's not Isha, it's not anything else. It's Ish and purely Ish. So, yeah, that's my name. Sending a love and light. Take care. Bye bye.